Hello everybody, welcome back to How to YouTube. In this episode I will teach you how to make YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails let viewers see a quick snapshot of your video as they're browsing YouTube. So to make thumbnails is very important. In some ways making a thumbnail is easier than editing a video. Useful softwares to make thumbnails include Visme and Canva. Canva is more famous, but Visme is pretty good at text and backgrounds. Make sure that your thumbnails catch people's attention, but not too bold, as it could be too much. Thumbnails to do with your video subject will draw people to your video itself. This will make your view rate higher because of your thumbnail. In this episode I'm going to make a thumbnail for my new Total Aviation video, so let's make it together. Here we are. I am using Canva, and as you can see all of my thumbnails are stored in here. My most popular video for Total Aviation, at Dash 8, Sea Vessels 1, and etc. So we're going to be making an aircraft, aircraft add-on video. So what we need is a template. So this template is for aircraft reviews. So I've just made a copy and we're going to name it Next Gen. So we want to come to the page and go Next Gen. There we go. Now, so Aerosoft CRJ, this is not the review, so what we're going to do is pop that in there and take the CRJ out and make it nice so people can see it. Make sure it's in your pink boundaries. That's a bit too small. So what we should have done is place as plain text and made it bigger, just like so. But we need to get rid of that background and insert. So we're going to have one just like that. So something like that, and we can put in here Next Gen reviews, and we green or whatever colour we want. There we go. So basically that is a nice basic thumbnail. So some of these might include a company's logo, more text maybe. Maybe you need to get a PNG image with no background. Maybe it's a plane taking off and you have to put logos on different angles. Or how to convert Microsoft Flight Simulator liveries, or how to get more views and subscribers live. So this is our livery, this is our thumbnail. It's nice. So that's going to be our thumbnail. All we need to do is go to page, which is page 9, and hit done. So making thumbnails is very important to upload them to your YouTube video. I hope this episode has helped. Thank you so much for watching this episode of How to YouTube. If you have enjoyed this episode of How to YouTube, please subscribe, like and share, and I will see you in the next episode.